everybody, and thank you all for tuning in to my video. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So today we are doing another Christmas DIY video, and if you haven't been following me for a while, then you know that my family is doing a Grinchmas Christmas. So everything that I have been doing so far has been geared towards the Grinch. Okay, so let's jump right into this gift giveaway. I have this green tray. Well, it was red. I purchased it from the Dollar Tree. As you can see, I didn't get the edges good enough, but that's okay. And I'm just going to start incorporating the candy, right? So I'm going to lay this down first. I'm going to add some Nutty Butters inside. Add some green Trident gum. And I also have these Grinch pieces. I'm going to add those inside as well. And I'm going to make sure maybe like the Grinch face is actually showing so that you can see it through the bag. Okay, so I'm trying to add as many as I can, but I know I can't add too much because this has a lot of air in it. Okay, so I think that will be great for now. If I can add more, I'll add more if I can. Now I'm going to grab my cellophane bag, and I purchased this from the Dollar Tree. So as you can see, this will be wrapped around so that nothing shifts or fall out, okay? So I'm just tucking it in to make sure everything fits before I place the hot glue down. A little bit first, see how that reacts, and then I'll continue the process all the way around. Not bad, it's just hot, of course, be careful, but you can keep going. Okay guys, so everything is all sealed. As you can see, it's not going anywhere. So the next step you can do is cut off the remaining cellophane that you do not need on the sides. Okay guys, I have one last step and then we will be done. So the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to place this Grinch decal that I use cutting my Cricut machine on top of the bag. And I'm going to use this sheet that I got off of my lint roller. Okay, let's go ahead and peel off the back. I'm going to go ahead and apply it to, I think, the top of this bag. And I wish I had something green right there, but that's okay. They'll still be happy and grateful. Go ahead, make sure that the decal sticks. And you're going to go ahead and peel away. Looking good so far. Okay, so here is the final project. And the face is not really popping like I wanted to, but hey, that's okay. It still turned out pretty nice. Okay, we'll try for next time. So that is the end of the tutorial, guys. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you love the video, make sure you share with your family and friends. As always, stay tuned because we have plenty more videos coming soon.